Welcome to nowhere. I'm Duff, living in the middle of nowhere, and today I'm going to try to get this Mustang a little cleaned up on the top where the I don't know, the vinyl cover was here. So all this needs to get de-glued. So I don't really have any. Well, I do probably have the stuff. I just, in my mess of oils and stuff, and maybe Varsol or paint thinner. But what gets this glue off? I really don't know. What's this? Lubricating semi-fluid. No, not that. I got a lot of ex-military stuff. Well, it's military quality and military grade, as they didn't want to get rid of it, so I had to. Shit like this, like bottles, like aerosol bottles. They don't want to get rid of them. Oh, if you get rid of it, we're fine. Hence, the top row in there is all like, what is this? There. Oh, wait, hold on. I don't even have to open that up. I've got more here. So, see what I mean? Water treatment for closed circulating systems. It's poison. It's irritable to the skin. Yeah, it's not good. Ooh. Greaseless lubricant. Ooh. I'll put that in there too. Got some more military. See, like you don't get these weird names like WD-40 is your common name, but all this other shit, you don't have it. So that's what. Yeah. Other shit. Okay. I'm gonna clean this all off. Get all this out of here. What is this? Junk, garbage, gone. There we go. So I need to get everything out. So the fun part is going to be around the edges here. Okay, yeah, I did close the door, but I just set the window there. So you can see it's literally on the rollers. The right there, you can see that is the track runner, and with that little piece that holds the side, that holds right in the side here, but it's the back round side. I need the front. So Saf is over there whining. What are you doing over there, Saf? I'll zoom in. Big suck. Sit. 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 Yeah, see, big suck. Because I had to put a board because I don't need her in the front yard and people bitching. And right now I won't be able to watch her. So, I'm going to clean this off. So what you see is just palm sander. I've got like about 100 grit. Maybe 120 on the bottom. But I'm just gonna give it a whirl, see what it's gonna do. Let's just say it's kind of turned into a fine grain. What I'm gonna have to do is just, I'll do that, do the whole fucking thing. Obviously you're not gonna see me do it because that'd just be like an hour-long video. If that, or whatever, how long it takes, I don't know. And then we'll go from there. Okay, I'll give you something. So I had to make a tool. So all that is a butter knife, and I just cut myself in a little hook thing. So if you, there, that way it focuses on the knife and not. So all I'm doing with these little pieces, so with here, if you see this, I have to hook in and push it down. That's what I'm trying to do. So I gotta go in, I'm going to tilt this angle in, and I got to find one. Okay, there's one right there. Okay, and I'm just done. Look at that. See how much easier that is? Because I was trying to slide. Probably easier if I go on the other side. It's a pain in the ass, you know. There we go. Yeah, so it's a matter of just hooking it, pulling it towards the bottom of the windshield, and that's where you have it. Okay, so I started taking the wire wheel to it. There's a little bit of indentations. Like even here with the small wire wheel, it did do it, and that is moved metal. There's a dent in here. I don't know how bad it is. I just don't want to go any much farther than this Bondo that's already there. So I have to fill this in. I have a little bit of Bondo somewhere around here, but it's a long ways. I started heating up spots to get it cleaned, but other than that, it still needs quite a bit for the roof, for the glue. I fucking hate this shit. The dumbest thing ever. I already got one. Luckily, that is in mint condition. I don't have to worry about ripping that off, because if I no, I'd sell it to somebody else. I need to get this down to fucking hardtop color or softness, smooth. But honestly, I'm at the point where I have no choice now. Because see how that is? Well, this can't be rough, and that's a difference of height of maybe a maybe a 128. But I'm Duff, little middle of nowhere. That's the roof. That's where it's at. I'm gonna try anything other stuff. Like I tried gasoline and fucking razor blade kind of thing. That's where part of that scraping came from too. And by paint there and other kind of solvents I have here. It's not coming off. But also people are saying, yeah, I gotta have it in the sun. Well, I do have the other Mustang behind it, and B, this has no brakes. And I have a 1.5 inch lip to bring this Mustang back in. It'll be a nightmare because I had to like literally strap it to get it in. Literally strapping it winch, you know, I don't have a winch. I don't have a come along or any of that, so that's how I got this in here. And yeah, it was a fucking nightmare. Like, subscribe, comment, let me know how you think, or what you think. And like always, have a good one.